Daily English Talks. Making an appointment. Hello, good morning. I'm calling because I would like to make an appointment with the doctor if possible.
Good morning. Thank you for calling Green Valley Clinic. May I ask which doctor you would like to see today?
I would prefer to see Dr. Smith because I visited him before and felt very comfortable during the consultation.
That's great. Dr. Smith is available this week, so may I know what the appointment is regarding?
I have been feeling frequent headaches lately, and I think it would be better to get a professional checkup.
I understand, and it's a good idea to see a doctor early, so let me check Dr. Smith's schedule for you.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate your help and patience.
You're welcome. And I can see that Dr. Smith is available on Wednesday morning at 10:30 a.m.
Wednesday morning sounds good, but I was wondering if there is any available time in the afternoon instead.
Let me check again, and yes, there is an opening at 3 p.m. on the same day.
That time would be perfect for me because I finish work at around 2 p.m.
Excellent. I will schedule your appointment for Wednesday at 3 p.m. with Dr. Smith.
Thank you. Could you please confirm the clinic address so I can plan my trip properly?
Of course. The clinic is located at 245 Sunrise Avenue, near the Central Bus Station.
That's very helpful. And may I ask how early I should arrive before my appointment time?
We recommend arriving at least 15 minutes early to complete any necessary paperwork.
That makes sense, and I will make sure to arrive on time.
May I also have your full name and contact number for the appointment record?
Yes, my full name is Anna Johnson, and my phone number is 012-345-678.
Thank you, Ms. Johnson. I have successfully added your information to our system.
Great. Do I need to bring anything specific, such as medical records or an ID card?
Please bring your ID card and any previous medical reports that might be related to your symptoms.
I understand, and I will prepare those documents in advance.
Is this appointment covered by your health insurance, or will you be paying in cash?
I will be using my health insurance, and I can bring the insurance card with me.
Perfect. That will make the process much smoother when you arrive.
That's good to know because I want everything to go smoothly on that day.
If you feel unwell before the appointment, please don't hesitate to call us again.
Thank you for the advice, and I will contact the clinic if anything changes.
You're welcome. And would you like a reminder message before your appointment?
Yes, a reminder message would be very helpful so I don't forget the time.
No problem. We will send you a reminder via text message one day before the appointment.
That sounds perfect. Thank you for offering that service.
It's our pleasure to assist our patients in any way we can.
May I ask how long the appointment usually takes?
The consultation usually lasts about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the doctor's assessment.
That's good to know, so I can manage my schedule better.
If you need to cancel or reschedule, please inform us at least 24 hours in advance.
I understand, and I will make sure to inform the clinic if there is any change.
Thank you for your cooperation, as it really helps us manage our schedule efficiently.
You're welcome, and I truly appreciate how organized your clinic is.
We try our best to provide good service and a comfortable experience for everyone.
I already feel confident about my visit after speaking with you today.
That's wonderful to hear, and we look forward to seeing you on Wednesday.
Thank you. I am looking forward to the appointment as well.
Is there anything else I can help you with before we end the call?
No, that's all for now, and you have been very helpful.
I'm glad I could assist you, and I hope you have a great day.
Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great day too.
You're welcome, and thank you for choosing Green Valley Clinic.
I appreciate your service, and I will see you on Wednesday afternoon.
We will be ready to welcome you when you arrive.
That's reassuring to hear, especially since this is an important visit for me.
Please don't worry. You will be in good hands with Dr. Smith.
Thank you for the reassurance. It really helps me feel more relaxed.
It's our goal to make every patient feel comfortable and supported.
I'm glad I called today and arranged this appointment.
We're glad too, and we appreciate your trust in our clinic.
Once again, thank you for your time and assistance.
You're very welcome, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye.